Hook, have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a personal assistant who could answer your questions, complete your tasks, and even create content for you? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving into the world of the Gemini app, a revolutionary AI tool that promises to change the way we interact with technology. Introduction. So, what exactly is the Gemini app? In simple terms, it's an AI assistant that can understand and respond to natural language prompts. Think of it as having a highly intelligent friend at your fingertips, always ready to help. But what can it actually do? Let's break it down. Core features. Answering questions. One of the Gemini app's most impressive features is its ability to provide informative and comprehensive answers to a wide range of questions. Whether you're curious about the history of the universe or need help with your homework, Gemini can provide you with the information you need. Completing tasks. Beyond answering questions, Gemini can also help you with various tasks. Need to schedule a meeting, write an email, or create a presentation? Gemini can assist you with these and more. Simply provide the app with the necessary details, and it will do the heavy lifting. Content creation. Gemini is also a powerful tool for content creators. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or a writer, Gemini can help you generate ideas, write drafts, and even edit your work. Learning and adapting. One of the Gemini app's most exciting features is its ability to learn and adapt over time. As you use the app, it will learn your preferences and habits, allowing it to provide more personalized and relevant assistance. Real-world examples. To give you a better idea of what the Gemini app can do, let's explore some real-world examples. A busy professional could use Gemini to schedule meetings, write emails, and even summarize important documents. A student could use Gemini to get help with homework, research topics, and even write essays. A creative individual could use Gemini to generate ideas, write stories, or even create art. Benefits and limitations. While the Gemini app offers many benefits, it's important to note that it's not without its limitations. For example, the app may not always provide accurate or unbiased information. Additionally, it may struggle with complex or ambiguous queries. Conclusion. The Gemini app is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or simply someone looking for a more efficient way to get things done, Gemini can be a valuable asset. Call to action. If you're interested in trying the Gemini app for yourself, I encourage you to download it from the App Store. With its impressive capabilities and user-friendly interface, Gemini is sure to become an essential tool in your daily life. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.